Hello everyone and welcome to World Taekwondo Global Membership System. In this tutorial video I would like to show you how you can request for a visa letter when you register your team. So we click on register now, choose the team, the national team, and register an athlete. Just to show you, you have to add the accommodation details, flight summary, flight details, and after that we have a visa details form. So for the visa details form, you have to enter where you will be receiving your visa, your date of arrival and date of departure, and if you wish you can copy the same information to others. If not, then you can enter them if they are different to each others, and then we click finish. And after you have registered, the organizing committee will sign in to the system and they will check for your visas, and then they change from pending to confirmed or approved. So once the visa letter is approved by organizing committee, then you as an admin can download your visa invitation letter. So as you have here, visa, you change the status to approved, search, and you can see that you have your visa approved. So you can download the visas one by one, or you can download them by team. It's up to you. And here you will see that the visa invitation letter is ready for you. Please make sure that the reference number is unique to all your members. Thank you very much and good luck.